a Rubik's Cube, this guide, and a calm and positive mental attitude. So let's get started by getting to know your cube. Ready? Okay, here goes. You need to identify the parts. Edge pieces. These are in the middle row, have 2 colors, and there are 12 of them. Corner pieces. These are always found in the corners, hence the name. This isn't rocket science, you know. Anyway, they all have 3 colors and there are 8 of them. Center pieces. Based on what we've discussed, if you can't work out where these are, then put down the cube. It's not for you, dude. These are important because they don't move, so they represent the color of their side. For reference, white is opposite yellow, orange is opposite red, and green is opposite blue. You can easily tell if a piece is in the right position by checking it against the centerpiece. There's 2 more things you need to know, and then we can start solving. Listen up. Right face, left face, up face, down face, front face, back face. Got it? Happy face. Finally, the normal move is clockwise, but when we mention the letter I, it means make an inverted or counterclockwise move. For example, front would mean move it like this. Front inverted would mean move it like this. Assume it's a clockwise move unless specifically stated. Right, that's everything. Cut! That's a wrap, people! Oh no, wait. There's one more thing. Roll camera! When making the moves, hold your cube full face front with the logo on top. Unless specifically stated, most of the moves you do will have the white side on top or the yellow side on top. Each move is a quarter rotation. Follow that, and you'll have the solution nailed in no time. Stage 2. Your goal for this stage is to solve the white cross. So you need to go from this to this. And if you can't solve the white cross, keep your cool. Don't fall apart. This bit is down to you to work out, but here goes with some helpful tips. Tip 1. Hold the cube with the white centerpiece on top. As the cross forms, you'll notice the 2 pieces on the side come together, the center square and the one above. The easiest way of solving the white cross is to have these 2 pieces form in this order. First blue, then orange, next is green, and finally red. You'll find your own way of doing this, as there are lots of different ways to achieve it. Tip 2. If you find the 2 colors at the top and the side are around the wrong way like this, then try this. Right inverted, up, front inverted, up inverted. Once you've got your white cross, then give yourself a round of applause. Stage 3. Your goal for this stage is to position the white corners and go from this to this. To get them in the right place, you need to work out where they go by looking at the color and then match them up with the centerpieces, like this. It's a perfect match! So, once you know where it goes, position it directly underneath its final position. If the corner piece is already in the bottom layer, then simply rotate it till it's in the correct position like this. If it's on the top layer, turn it so it lines up on the right face and try this. Right inverted, down inverted, right. Now you can rotate the bottom part until it's in the correct place. Quick tip. Always hold the piece you want to move at the bottom right. To then get it in the right place, try this. Right inverted, down inverted, right, down. You need to keep doing it over and over again until it appears in the right place. Don't give up. Keep going. Persevere. You'll get there. Keep checking so you don't miss the moment where they're all in the right place. Now, find the next white corner and repeat those steps until they're all where they're supposed to be. We've sped it up for demonstration purposes only, but keep going with right inverted, right, down. Now your cube should look like this, and if it does, well done. Welcome to stage 4. Right. Hold the cube so that the completed white face is on the bottom. Now you have to solve the middle layer, which means positioning the edge pieces in the correct place. How do you do that? Well, I'm glad you asked. Notice the vertical rows. These are really important. Look at the up face for an edge piece that doesn't have the same color as the centerpiece. Yellow. Now, turn the up face until it creates a vertical line of the same color. If you find that all your edge pieces have yellow in them, then try this. Make sure the yellow centerpiece is on top. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. That should now give you a centerpiece that does not contain yellow. Find that piece and create a vertical line like we mentioned a few moments ago. If you find at any point coming up that all the edge pieces have yellow in them, then come back to this point and repeat the routine you've just done. Here it is again, just in case. Can I get a rewind? Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. This will give you a piece that is not yellow and you can continue. With white still on the bottom, take a look at where the edge piece without yellow is and where it needs to go. Right or left? If it needs to go to the left, then follow this. Up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. If it needs to go to the right, follow this. Up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. Once it's in position, take another look with the center yellow on top, and you'll notice that another edge doesn't contain yellow. Remember what we did. I'll show you. Turn the up face until it creates a vertical line. If it needs to go to the right, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted, up, front. If it needs to go to the left, up inverted, left inverted, up, left, up, front, up inverted, front inverted. Okay, that was tough, but you did it. Now your cube looks like this. Congratulations! On to step 5. Stage 5, part 1. Here's what we're aiming for. A yellow cross with 2 completed horizontal lines. Let's do it. Don't worry about the side pieces for the moment. No, wait, we still need them, just don't worry about them. Let's just concentrate on getting a cross. If you already have a yellow cross, we'll call this state 1, like this, then lucky you. You can skip this part and go forward to stage 5, part 2. If not, stick around, this won't take long. Now, your cube should be in one of 3 possible states. State 2, no edge pieces, just the yellow centerpiece. Or state 3, 2 edge pieces forming a V shape like this. Or state 4, 2 edge pieces forming a horizontal line with the centerpiece like this. If your cube is in state 2, that's just a yellow centerpiece, then do this. Front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, front inverted. Once you've done that, your cube should be in state 3 or 4, which I'll now explain. If your cube is in state 3, with 2 yellow edge pieces forming a V shape, then do this. Front, up, right, up inverted, right inverted, front inverted. Finally, if your cube is in state 4, with 2 yellow edge pieces forming a horizontal line, then do this. Front, right, up, right inverted, up inverted, front inverted. Now you should have a yellow cross. You do! Way to go, guys! Let's move on. This is stage 5, part 2, where we make all the corners on the top face yellow. Take a look at the yellow face. There should only be 3 possible states that your cube is in. How you hold your cube depends on which state your cube is in. Let me explain. State 1. None of your corner cubes are yellow, but you'll notice that you have yellow corner pieces on the side, like this. Now, rotate your entire cube until you have one of the yellow pieces on the left face. State 2. Looking at the yellow face, one of your corner pieces matches. Rotate your cube until it's in the bottom left corner. Or State 3. 2 corner cubes are yellow. Don't worry about their position. They could be like this or like this. Then, you must match the front face with a yellow left corner like this. It doesn't matter what state your cube is in, unless it's like this. But if it's in one of the 3 just mentioned, and you're now holding it so that everything is facing the right way, exactly as I mentioned, then do this. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. You'll need to do it up to 3 times to complete the yellow face. But remember these 3 things. 1. Check which state it's in. 2. Rotate the cube so that it's facing the right way depending on which state it's in. 3. Repeat. Right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. And once again, check, rotate, repeat, right, up, right inverted, up, right, up, right inverted. Now your cube should look like this. It does? Great work, but no time to rest. Stage 6 is waiting. Okay, you've reached stage 6. You are nearly there. We can see the light at the end of the tunnel. Our goal on this stage is to have all 4 yellow corners in their correct position. Hold the cube with the yellow face on top. Twist the top face until at least 2 corners are in the right location. If you get lucky and all 4 corners are in the right place, then move on to stage 6, part 2. Okay people, listen up. Make sure yellow is still on top and place the 2 correct corners in the back like this. Or diagonally, like this, or this. Now, simply do this sequence. Right inverted, front, right inverted, back, right, front inverted, right inverted, back, right, up inverted. All 4 corners should now be in their correct position. Or, if you had diagonal corners to begin with, just rotate the up face until you have 2 corners in their correct position at the back, like this. Then do the sequence again. Can I get a rewind? Right inverted, front, right inverted, back, right, front inverted, right inverted, back, right, up inverted. You got it? It looks like this? Great. Go ahead. Move on to the final part. Okay, here's part 2, the final set of moves for the big finish. Ready? Let's do it. All we need to do now is to position the yellow edges correctly. If one edge is correct, then orient the cube so that the correct edge is on the back face like this. Now, looking at the yellow face, work out if you need it to move clockwise like this, or counterclockwise like this. If all 4 edges are incorrect, then you can do either of the sequences coming up. Then you'll be able to work out which way you need to go. If you need to turn it clockwise, with the completed face still at the back, then follow this. Front, up, left, right inverted, front, left inverted, right, up, front. If you need to turn it counterclockwise like this, then follow this. Front, front, up inverted, left, right inverted, front, front, left inverted, right, up inverted, front, front. Check your cube and it should look like this. Congratulations! You've just solved the Rubik's Cube. Great cubing! Now mix it all up and go again even faster. Happy cubing!